Bye-bye, Sheila. Alright, so it's been a bit since we've talked about the truck. Got the truck back, obviously. So we still don't necessarily really know what's wrong. The mechanic put a new shifter handle in and new throttle position sensor, and turns out we thought it was just blowing a number 45 fuse, right? No, it was blowing like 6 or 7 other fuses, so that's why when I replaced all the stuff it didn't fix it. So did that, and then the very next day after getting it back, which would have been 2 days ago, it did the same thing again. Panel went dark and the gas pedal didn't work, so I was like, well, crap. And then after putting a new fuse in and telling the mechanic, he was like, well, you got a whole bunch of just random wires down here that I'm gonna rip out if it's okay. I was like, I don't really care if it's gonna, as long as it doesn't break anything else and as long as it could fix what's going on. So he ripped them out, and this is what he ripped out. Whole bunch of duct taped wires and automatic start stuff, a trailer brake, so a whole bunch of random stuff that was like duct taped together. So we're thinking that's a problem. We've put 65 miles on the truck since, and nothing's happened, which is good. Nothing bad happened. So we're hoping that that solved our problem. But yeah, anyway, let's get a cold start going. Running good again.